Come on, let's record all the cars for YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. I know you put the white car back on the grass again.
Yeah.
And remember that. You know we put the white car back on the grass?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, I remember.
I like that. Yeah. I actually got more confidence on my car when it was just in primer, like all ratty looking, than...
Look at that.
Is that what you wanted to see, Jay? Split bumper Camaro?
It's a beauty. I
That
love
is
this.
too fast. That's way fast for a car. How fast is this car even?
I don't know. We got another orange Trans Am here, though.
I guess that's 2,000 miles out. 2,000.
I'm going to guess he didn't paint his car with tractor paint like Daddy did.
Yeah, that's almost the same freaking color, too.
That's a...
If he that.
See, that's probably the actual GM color. Well, my car is actually Kubota orange for tractors. It's very similar. That's why I chose that color. And a Chevelle. Now that. Come on. I think these were faster than the Corvettes back in the day, weren't they?
Yes, they were.
Why smells like
13-second
you're
quarter-mile
painting?
from the factory.
Or was that the GNX? This is just the Grand National, right? Yeah. Come on. I'm just wanting you to hold my hand. That's all. Oh yeah. It's nice. We got Monte Carlo. All right. No, it's I love that.
No, it's not. I love that one.
Remember seeing that one? No. It's a Mustang. Come on, keep walking, keep walking. You don't have to touch any cars, right? Okay. Nice Chevelle over here I want to see. It's not a Lamborghini, it's a Lotus. Looks like big cars from Back to the Future. Hey, stay with me. Where are you? Stay with me. I know. Another Trans Am, man. Right behind you. Brown one.
Why are those waves?
Yeah. I love the first 10 Monte Carlo. Henry, you know that? Yeah. back here. Come here. You have to stay with me, bud. Hey. If you don't stay with me, then you're gonna have to leave. Okay? Just stay with me. Come on. I know. Just stay home ahead. Because we have to see all these cars down here. That's a really odd color. It's like a sand color. Come here. Put the stick. Yeah. Him in Gopher Dunes. Another Regal. Too tight. Sit back. That truck is rowdy. Hey, a G8. Another G8, Henry, a green one. Yeah. It's gonna come in. Over here. Right there. That. Yeah.
No, that's green. That's green.
Yeah, I know. I think it's wrapped. We're gonna see it later, okay? Oh, that pickup sound is really nice. You like that green one? Oh. Yeah. back there after. I just wanted to come see this red Chevelle over here. This way. This way. Stay with me, okay? Stay with me. There's cars coming. Come here. Stay back. There's an AMX over there. Finding one in Canada must be pretty tough. Those are rare enough in the States. Yeah. There's like 3 or 4 of them here, isn't there? Yeah. Watch out. Stay close to me, okay? There's cars coming in. Love will never fade away. Get a good view from up here.